this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we are visiting Seaward Marine Services. Seaward Marine has provided valuable underwater services for nearly 50 years. The company was formed by former U.S. naval officers in 1972 to perform underwater search and recovery. Subsequently, Seaward was awarded the Underwater Ship Husbandry contract in worldwide support of the United States Navy, which they have maintained for over 40 years. With corporate headquarters in Norfolk, Virginia, Seaward Marine also operates in California, Hawaii, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Seaward Marine offers a number of underwater services, including hull cleaning, hull inspections, non-destructive testing and repairs, including underwater painting, using their high-coat epoxy coating system. Seaward also applies these underwater services to utility power plants and other underwater structures. Seaward's diver-operated SCAMP vehicle is able to remove marine growth from a ship's hull without risk of paint system damage. This improves the ship's performance by increasing fuel savings and extending dry dock cycles. Seaward's unique Lamprey remote-operated survey vehicle, ROV, is an underwater robotic hull scanner, controlled topside, that records hull plate thickness, paint thickness, and cathodic potential to produce comprehensive hull condition reports. Seaward Marine Services is recognized worldwide as the most experienced applicator of high-coat underwater epoxy coatings. They have 31 years of experience applying high coat on wet or submerged surfaces such as ship's hulls, concrete, potable water tanks, and sheet piling. Entrust your underwater needs to the leaders in underwater ship husbandry. Visit seaward-marine.com for more information. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.